welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious beef broccoli recipe that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Let me show you what I'm using. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon and a half of cornstarch, 4 garlic cloves, and a piece of ginger. And here I have my broccoli and my beef, any type of beef. And these are the ingredients I'm using for the amazing sauce. Look at this. I am ready to prepare this amazing beef broccoli dish. And here I want to start with the ginger. Of course, you could use less. I love ginger, so I'm using about 3 tablespoons of ginger. And here, look how easy it is to take the skin off of the ginger. Of course, you could use only 1 tablespoon of the ginger. I am going to peel it nice and soft, and look at this. When you have it like this, you're going to slice it and then make little sticks out of it, and then you're going to dice it very small. You want to make sure that you dice it very small so that all those amazing flavors, aroma, properties really go into this amazing sauce. This is what takes longer to prepare, getting all your ginger diced very small and your garlic. When this is done, we're going to transfer it to a bowl. I'm going to continue waking up my garlic cloves by smashing them just like that, and then I'm ready to dice away. You want to make sure that you dice it in very small little pieces so that the flavor really penetrates the sauce. Okay, now I am ready to add the sauce. I'm adding half a cup of low sodium soy sauce, half a cup of rice vinegar, 4 tablespoons of sesame oil, 4 tablespoons, be very generous. And of course, I am going to add my brown sugar and my cornstarch. I'm going to mix it away, making sure that I mix it very well so that the cornstarch dissolves. It doesn't matter if it has a little bit lumps. It's going to rest for a little while, so it's going to get nice and dissolved. Look at this. Okay, I'm going to put it aside, let it rest for a little bit, and now I am ready to continue slicing away the beef. I have milanesa, a very thin cut of beef, and I'm going to slice away almost every single piece the same size. Well, I'm going to continue slicing away because let me tell you, when you make this amazing beef broccoli recipe, you are going to fall in love with it. I'm adding half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to mix it very well. Look at this. Let me tell you, once you make this amazing dish, you're going to continue enjoying what Cooking with Gloria enjoys with her beautiful family. It doesn't take too long to make this amazing recipe. Of course, I have all my ingredients: broccoli, the delicious sauce, the beef already cut in small little thin slices, and the sesame seeds. I am ready. Let's go to the stove. On the stove, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and then I'm adding the beef. I am going to cook in medium heat for about 4 minutes without moving it. I'm just going to leave it in here, let it cook for about 4 minutes, and it's going to start releasing its own juices. Remember, when you make this amazing dish, you have control of how much oil you add to your pan. After the 4 minutes, you're going to mix away, making sure that all the beef separates and everything is getting cooked and golden brown. Cook it for another 4 minutes. Medium heat. I'm going to leave it in here for about 4 more minutes, and then I'll show you how it's going to be nice and cooked and nice and golden brown. After the 4 minutes, you could really see those little juices on the bottom. You could see that it's getting nice and golden brown, and that's exactly how you want it. Look at this. The juices have disappeared, and now they're nice and golden brown, and I'm ready to add the amazing sauce. I added 1 cup of cold water to the sauce mixture, and I'm just gonna mix away, making sure that the beef is coated with this amazing sauce. I know it's nice and runny, but in a couple minutes it's gonna get nice and thick and delicious. I'm adding the broccoli right on the top. The broccoli is not cooked, so I'm just gonna incorporate it really good, making sure that all those juices cover the broccoli. And now I am ready to cover it. I'm going to cover it, let it cook in medium heat for another 3 minutes. No more than 3 minutes. You really want to enjoy your broccoli al dente. You don't want to overcook your broccoli. It's nice and simmering, and the broccoli is nice and green. Now you're ready to turn off the stove and prepare this amazing dish. Look at this. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Make this amazing recipe. You're going to love it. Look at this. You could really see the broccoli nice and green, al dente. The meat is really juicy, soft, moist. Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering. I can't wait to taste it. I can't wait to enjoy it. I am ready for the presentation. I'm going to add a little bit of the sesame seeds right on the top. And then, let me tell you, my friends, I am ready to enjoy it. I hope you make it at home and you enjoy what I enjoy with my beautiful family. Let's add the sesame seeds right on the top. This looks amazing. It smells delicious, and I can't wait to enjoy. So I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing beef broccoli recipe. Look at this. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So delicious. The broccoli is still al dente, just perfect. The meat nice and juicy and tender. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you soon. Bye-bye.